Hello Brainblasters, welcome back to Brainblastforyou, or Learn with Chocho. Here's a mystery for today. You swallow a pill for a headache, but how does it know to go to your head and not your toes? Let's uncover the secret GPS inside your medicines. Before we blast off, if you're new here, don't forget to join the Brainblastforyou family. Hit that subscribe button and give us this video a big thumbs up so you never miss a brain blast. When we swallow medicine, it doesn't say, alright, the brain, let's go. Nope. Medicines actually travel everywhere, through your blood, to your arms, legs, even your pinky toe. So, why does only the headache stop hurting? Because the medicine chemicals are designed to work where your body needs them. Here's how it works. When you take a painkiller, it dissolves in your stomach, then hops on the bloodstream express train. Your blood carries it everywhere, but it only activates when it finds the right locks. Then, think of your body cells as locks and medicines as the key. Each medicine fits only into certain locks called receptors that sends messages through your nerves to say, ouch, something hurts. When you get hurt, receptors get super sensitive. Injured cells release chemicals called prostaglandins that turn those receptors up like a volume knob. So even a tiny touch can hurt more than anything. Painkillers block those chemicals, calm the receptors, and that's how the pain fades away. Those pain messages come from chemicals called prostaglandins. When the medicine fits into the right receptor, it blocks or slows down the production of prostaglandins. So, your brain never gets the pain alert. That's why your pain eases. Some medicines work better after meals, while others need an empty stomach. Why? Because your food can change how fast your body absorbs the drug. Image, food acid or empty space can totally change how fast or how well that happens. Let's break it down. When medicine works better after food, some medicines can irritate your stomach lining, especially ones like painkillers. So, eating first protects your stomach from feeling upset. Food also helps certain fat-soluble medicines like vitamin A, D, E, K, or some antibiotics get absorbed better because your body releases bile, which breaks down fats and helps these medicines dissolve more easily. Example, taking vitamin D after a meal with a little healthy fat like avocado or nuts makes it work better. So, next time you pop a pill, remember, it's not magic, it's science. Medicines don't have GPS. Your body gives them the directions. This is Chocho blasting your brain with facts that heal your curiosity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your next brain blast. See you in the next video. Bye.